Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come see gigabyte.com. This is the official website of Gigabyte, so you can download the driver. Then you can see here search button and then enter your model number of your motherboard and then hit enter. Then click on product, then title of the motherboard name, click on subject support, then select operating system which is you required, Windows 10, 11. Select. So Windows 10 on 11, the installations process same. First audio, Realtek audio driver. And click to download. It will just download. Click on download. It will download. Now you can see this. You can see here downloading start. Then just single click to open. And this is AXE. Double click to launch. Then click yes. It is closed means this is installed. Chipset driver. See, this is chipset 71 MB size. Just click to download. You can see it will start downloading. And then click to open, and this is exe chipset exe. Just double click, click on yes, and then close it. LAN driver extract, you can see this Realtek LAN driver 10 MB, and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. Wait few seconds, it will complete, then open, then Then after download, just open it, and this is exe. So double click for launch, and then require the administrator rights. Now this is installing LAN driver. And this is closed, and then this is installed.